Hey guys, so Trucker One here again. In this video, since I'm here, I have to do my restart, so I'm gonna wait. I have to wait 35 hours until I can start making money again. But since I'm doing this, I'm still gonna make some money because I'm gonna save on installing those hood mirrors, because you can see this truck don't have those. And when I'm doing oversized or like sharp turns, it's very important to have those because you can see the end of your trailer. If you hit the ditch, you hit the pole, whatever, so it's very important to have those. So I'm gonna install them today. So check this out how I'm gonna install them. I'm gonna tell you step by step. So you can see those coming right there, those fangs right here. I have left and right, and I have to clean a little bit this because it's coming somewhere right here. So this is my the old number what this truck have, since it was not new. So I'm gonna open this, guys, and I'm gonna show you the easy part. The easy part is the factory already make the sign. So if you can see right there with the big circle, they have the 4 points, and I already checked it. It's exactly the 4 screws what's coming here. And I go to Home Depot and bought some extra flasher, like big ones. So in this way it's gonna be much more stronger, since the hood it's on fiberglass or plastic, whatever it is. And I bought some extra nuts, so in this way you're gonna put 2 for each. Plus this one, and this way is be sure, because the hood is shaking so much, you just want to be sure this little nuts is not gonna unscrew themselves, and your hood mirror is gonna fall, or it's gonna start shaking, and it's gonna ruin all your paint in your hood. Because I see sometimes the guys on the road which install themselves, and you can see right here is like kind of shaky because they didn't take extra caution to put the two nuts on it. So check this out how you're gonna do it. Okay, so you can guys see those 4 holes here, this one and this one. So I'm gonna use this small drill to make the holes, and then we'll try to do the other ones. Okay. 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 So let's see what's happening this side. So you can see here how it says right on the numbers. So I'm gonna clean the numbers, and this way I'm not gonna have that. Once that I'm gonna do this, it's gonna be harder for me to clean after that. So first let's finish with the holes. Okay guys, so the last touch here. So it's all clean. Now we're gonna make those holes a little bit wider. We're gonna check first, but I'm sure it's gonna need a little bit wider because the screws are a little bit thicker than the holes. So let's see how this goes. Okay guys, so you can see here, yeah, the screws, they're in the position but they're not passing. So I need to widen a little bit those holes. Okay, so like this. Last one. Okay, so now we're good to put the mirror. So we put this joint on it, which come with the mirror. So I was gonna put it right here like this. Okay. So since the holes are a little bit kind of same size, you can leave the mirror is gonna stand like this. This way, gonna put the nuts on the other side. So we come here. You can see here. We're gonna let's put this one here. Let's put in the bottom one. This way we're sure it's there. Put this. We put the first one like this. So let's put the others. So we're gonna put this one here, this one here, this one here, the little ones. That's right here. It seems like it's gonna work, that one. I don't know what's wrong with it. so we're gonna don't go. Okay, so we have to tighten those a little wrench here. Let's see what's going on this side. So here it's looking good. So how I said, if you tie down those in the bottom, you're gonna get a little bit tighter in the top one. So now it's gonna go in. So once we tie this one, the last one will be good too. A little bit of my hand here. See how this comes out, so we're gonna put now this, okay. Okay, so you can see that this one here, it's not tight, and this one it is, because here it's flat, that little one. So now we're gonna tie this one into that one is getting flat, because that's gonna secure to not unscrew it. And here, same thing. So this one is good. I have this one flat position, and how I said, now we're gonna put an extra on each one, and this way is gonna be perfect. We're gonna put one more. Yes. Okay. This. Okay. So now we're gonna tighten only the second one, not the first one. Okay. 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 Okay, so that's look good. And now we have to do that one on the right side. Okay, so that's it, guys. So we fixed that one, we fixed this one, and let's see how this look like. So let's close this. Okay, so that's it. So thank you for watching, guys. This is how you install your hood mirrors.